Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. So we have an earwax removal video for you. This gentleman's been using a little bit of sodium bicarbonate to loosen this wax. So you're going to see a little bit of liquid in the ear canal as we're taking this away. The wax itself is quite sticky, really stuck to the canal wall. So we're going to use the standard size Zollner tube just to go in here and just loosen it from the canal walls first of all. There you go, you can just see just pulling it away from the canal wall. Just trying to get the sides into the center, pull it close to the middle of this wax. If we can unstick it, it'll allow us to get this wax out in bigger pieces. You can see just working our way slowly all the way around the outside edge. You can see just how firmly stuck that wax is to the canal walls there. There, now we're starting to get a little bit of movement to the wax. You can see it's all pulling away a lot more nicely from the canal walls now. You can see by the consistency of the wax that it's really quite sticky, quite almost like a toffee-like consistency, so very thick, very pliable wax. So if we can detach enough of this from the canal walls, we should get this out in quite a nice chunk. You see just breaking off the top there. So going in with a Jobson horn, now we've loosened it a little bit from the canal wall. We're just going to go in with the Jobson, try and get as deep into this wax as we can. But you can see as you pull down, that's all it's done is, because it's this stickier wax, it's spread along the canal wall. So trying to get a bit further behind the rear edge of this wax before we lift it out. You can see a lot of dead skin there underneath. Nice healthy looking eardrum there. So you can see this is the other side. Can you see the white bubbles that are at the base of the wax? There you go, just pointing that out for you. Those white bubbles are where the sodium bicarbonate's gone in. You see it a lot with hydrogen peroxide as well. It starts to bubble through the wax. So if you've ever used either of those products, you'll hear a fizzing sensation. That's basically the bubbles that are left in that liquid there as it's bubbling through the bottom of the wax. So same thing for this ear now. This is the same patient. So we're just working the solid piece of wax you can see there off the canal wall. We've got quite a big old gap at the top, so we're going to use the Jobson just to see if we can bring this down the canal. You can see it's just broken the front end off this wax. You can see quite a bit deeper in. So we're going to use the suction tube now just to try and unstick from the canal wall again. There, you can see a nice big piece of wax. They're just starting to come away. Lifting, trying to get a grip on the smoother underside of this wax. Sometimes you get a better grip with the suction then. Now we've lifted up, we're going to use the crocodile forceps. Got a grip on the softer section. Just broke through, so we're going to go and try and get a little bit deeper in with the forceps there. There we go. Now we're starting to bring this wax forward so we can get a better grip. Slowly wiggling it up and down. There you can see a lot of dead skin under there as well. Quite a long piece of wax, that one. A little bit of drier wax there. Just stuck to the attic portion of the ear canal. Just tidying that one little bit up really. You can see we've got this long flap of, it's mostly skin. So we just want to get rid of that. There we go. Just looking at the eardrum there, looks lovely and healthy. So this is what we removed, guys. You can see a lot of dead skin underneath here, so some quite large chunks for this gentleman, unfortunately. But hearing a lot better and feeling a lot better after the procedure. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.